everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I'm going to do an unboxing box I purchased from the Chris and Hollie show. And I have to admit, I have opened it. It arrived yesterday. I was so excited. So let me show you what I got. It is very heavy. And they're really fair about their prices. Most of what I paid was for shipping. So it's a great deal. And everything was clean, and I will also wash the fabric. Look at this adorable fleece fabric. And I think I didn't measure, but it's approximately about 4 to 5 yards. And so I'm thinking I can make probably 2 or 3 blankets out of it. And I will probably add some, I don't know, I haven't decided what style, but I may be adding this turquoise color. So thank you, Chris and Hollie. I am thrilled. Okay, now, on future videos, I'll show you the things that I will be making other items out of. And these are like samples, but all I have to do is cut this top part, and I will probably make anything bag if you've seen my other videos. And here is another one. And then I got a lot of these pillow covers. They even have a zipper. If you like the sea, those are neat. Let's see, let me get the rest of those out. Now I haven't decided whether I would actually, I may just leave these like that because they're really nice pillow covers. And they all, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was really, really great. Look at that. Look at that turtle. Adorable. And then there is a book with, it says Handmade Christmas. It has a lot of neat ideas of what to do with your fabric. And look at this. And I'm going to be making Hollie a anything bag, but with the shoulder strap. And here's one more of these pillow covers. And these are neat. They have a zipper. So they're really good. They're really good quality. Do not know why they threw these in the dumpster. Okay, this is the jelly roll. I will be creating something with the jelly roll. So there's actually 3 different fabric items that you will be seeing in a future video. And this, if you, excuse me, if you want to make like a skirt or pants, it's great elastic for around the waist. Haven't decided what to do with that yet. And I have used this before. It's Pellon's Wonder Under Interfacing. And this is great stuff. I've used it before. And there's more of the interfacing. This stuff's expensive too. And this is a stretchy cord for making jewelry. And I got this neat little drawers full of sewing stuff. Here's some applique, some bobbins, and needles. And I remember telling her I definitely wanted the needles. So I do have a Singer sewing machine. And here is a hummingbird needle threader. That's kind of cool. And there's buttons. It's really a neat box. And like I said, everything's clean. I will wash the fabric. And let's see, on the bottom, I remember Chris being silly in the video on this stuff here. And so this is really neat. I can use all these products. Oh, and here's another one of the fringe. I'll have to, oh, and look what I got. Hollie's candle. Look at this. Oh, that smells good. One of these days I'm going to be able to afford one of her candles. Isn't that cool? Oh, Hollie, that's so exciting. And look at this. It's the letter J, which is the first letter of my name. And it says Simply Spring Crafts. So that's really neat. And there's some yarn. Not sure what I'm going to do with the yarn, but I'll find a purpose because I no longer knit or crochet. That's not my skills. But I will find a use for those. So this is really exciting. Thank you, Chris and Hollie. I really appreciate all the stuff you've sent to me. And I appreciate the shout outs and the encouragement. I really love your channel, and I hope anyone that's subscribed to me who are not subscribed to Chris and Hollie will go over there and do that. They're fun people. Love watching them. Anyway, I'm almost done with, the first box I got from Chris and Hollie with the fabric. I'm almost done with my projects. And I'm excited to show you. I am really, really pleased. There's two children's masks, another anything bag, and all the little scraps I have put together. And I'm going to keep that one a secret for the video. So this is really exciting. And like I want to say again that I said in one of my videos, I don't do this because I need fabric, because I have lots of fabric. I do sell and buy fabric on eBay. I do it because it's a challenge for me to see what you can create out of things that people waste and throw in the dumpster and save it from the landfill. Everything I make is usable, and I sell some on eBay, and I just, around Christmas time, people love to buy the anything bags. So anyway, I will stop this video, and hopefully you enjoy watching. And if you do like my content, give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate any comments. Comments are really important. I know a lot of people will they'll view your videos, but they don't leave a comment. But those are really important. And like I said, I even don't mind constructive criticism as long as you're not rude. So have a great day. Be safe, everyone, and see you soon. Bye.